What's up, Cortese gang? It's your boy Mick with the boy.
Woo! Bring the energy. New wheels.
What's good, everybody? Cortese clan. It's your boy Mick, and as you guys can tell, we have a special surprise for you today. Behind me, we got wheels.
We got wheels! We got wheels! The stage is set. Open.
So as you know, these wheels are for this Civic. We ordered them from 1552.
We've been waiting these wheels for quite some time. This is actually a huge piece of the build. Super exciting.
We don't know if we want to show them or not. So I'm covering this part right now for...
There's a sock on it, Mark.
Gotta keep it covered, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. A little sneak
It
peek.
looks like a keg. Got the whole family here.
You have a sneak peek over here?
There you go.
Ooh!
Alright guys, thanks for checking out our channel.
Man!
Oh my gosh.
I'm trying not to show it.
Oh gosh, yo.
Okay, this is a surprise for my dad. I mean, he knows what the wheels are, but we had a 30-minute debate on whether or not we should show this in the video. We want to appeal to our subscribers and everyone following, but we don't know if we want to spoil it completely. It was like a gray decision, but... Alright guys, TZ on me, TZ on 3, 1, 2. Video's over. Wow. How does it look?
Open another.
Wow, that's a nice wheel.
Can we reuse these tires or not? Or are we getting new tires?
The funny part is he actually already knows what these wheels are, but it's different when you see them on camera in person next to your car compared to when you just see it on a website, which is what we showed him. We're opening up the third one now.
Oh, we can use the weight.
Let's get a little 1552. Okay, tell them about the promo we got.
They were buy 3, get 1 free. So we got these for a steal.
Happy holidays.
Are we gonna
Distract them.
Are we gonna give them a little idea of what type of color it is, or like any sort of idea? We should give them a little bit.
Okay.
Not like visual.
At this point, you've probably already seen it because I keep putting the camera on.
So they are 1552s. They're
Integrales or integrals? Integrales?
Integrales. They're going on the rally car as Integrales, but they're white.
They're white.
No, they are an undisclosed color.
Get a little preview. Ooh! Wow!
So teased. Oh, shirt!
Alright, let's show them the shirt. Rip it up.
1552, baby.
Carson,
Pearly
California.
It's red!
Red
Wow.
too?
Red, what?
Solid. Nothing.
Carson, California. That's actually where our other extended family members live. And we actually got these wheels in like 2-3 days, which is awesome. The shipping was so fast, right?
Mm-hmm. Very fast.
Alright, what are you holding? Wow.
That's about how much camber the back's gonna have too. Maybe less than that.
Oh, this is a fair angle.
No.
Okay, this is a very fair angle. You can't see the wheel at all. Look at this. You know it's white. That's tease right there.
Alright, this is about all we're gonna give you guys for right now. We do want to keep it a surprise for our uncle, but as you can see, they are of the white color. 17 by 7.5 rims.
Wheel specs, because I know everybody's curious about wheel specs. They're 17 by 7.5 plus 38. There you go. Don't copy our wheel specs.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look sick.
Want to grab the Mugen pedals? Alright, so Jay's old boss at the Poke Shop actually donated this
Check
to
out
us.
that video right here.
Yeah, shout out Josh. Thank you,
Shout out
Josh,
to
for your
man. We got some
donation.
brand new pedals to put in the Civic.
Mugen. This is gonna be so nice with our car.
Much appreciated from Josh.
What are these? Oh, they're red caps? Oh my god.
Red?
What do you think this is? You think I mess around? You think I mess around with
Wow,
this?
red caps.
Make sure I do it right.
I'm trying to.
Why nuts? It's funny.
I'm gonna try to get gold ones.
Oh.
What?
These don't come with lug nuts?
No.
Are you gonna get spiky ones?
Hey, 1552, can you send us some lug nuts?
1552!
1552, send us some lug nuts. Lug nuts.
Lug nut!
That's what. That's
In Tagalog.
that's when you're in trouble by your parents in Tagalog. Lug nut.
Lago?
No, that's when you get a sickness.
It's like the red
that's
calipers.
This is the angle.
Willwood.
All right, reaction. What do you think?
Dude, they look crazy. I like the little accent of the
Nice.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah.
Very
Wow.
nice. Good choice. Good choice.
Wow.
Got them for a steal too.
Buy one. Look, buy three, get one free.
Really?
52.
Buy 3 free.
Oh.
Plus free shipping.
Plus free shipping, and it came in 3 days.
We're gonna mock them.
Plus a shirt.
We're gonna mock
Oh yeah, the
Oh, the shirt was
t-shirt.
extra.
Jack the car up.
Wow.
No, but you don't have wheels.
Look, at this point, you probably already saw how they look, but we tried our best to preserve the real experience for my dad,
These are awesome, man.
and also at the same time
Good luck cleaning these though.
give you a little taste of the taste that we had, which is really good taste.
It'll just wipe. It'll just come right off.
So that's the next. So just mention that we may ceramic coat these just to make sure that these things stay clean.
That's-
They are white, so they're gonna get dirty pretty easily.
Oh, you know what?
Look,
But they look
S-I-C-K.
Fabulous.
There's a red brake caliper here from Willwood. It's hard to see, but
Careful.
it's hard to see. Here, somebody catch. It's hard to see, but it's gonna look great.
You jack it up.
Looks good.
You're gonna put them on? He's gonna put them on. He's gonna put them on. We don't even have tires for them, but it's okay.
I wish there were 5 left. I'd borrow them for the
All right. Well,
It is 4 lugs, so
We'll
you could use
film
that
you.
lugs, right?
this is what happens when you're excited. New pair of shoes.
Daddy got
You wear,
their shoes.
you wear the shoes without the laces when you're excited.
That's pretty much flush anyways. Oh, that's gonna be a game changer.
So I know you guys are super excited to see the wheels just as much as we are. Unfortunately, we can't show it to you guys just yet because our uncle does watch the channel. But please stay tuned in for our next couple videos where we will display this. Car is going out for paint pretty soon. We got a couple little blemishes right here.
What if we
also need some floorboard action done, but hit us up. Please stay tuned for the Venmo that we set up. Link will be in the description and on the pop here. Yep, so donate right there.
$2 or more. Get your name written on the roof of this car. Play a prank on a friend. Get their name written on the roof of the car. Do it for your mom who's not into YouTube, but now she can be. And enjoy giving a gift. You can be part of the whole process.
I think it'll just be great to be able to have you guys on here like as if it was a piece of history and really show off the people that made this build possible, which is you guys for watching our videos. Anything else from you guys?
Alright guys, thanks for checking out our channel.